What's up YouTube guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today I want to talk about variables. Okay, at first we go to Anaconda and open Jupyter notebook. Alright, at first we get into Jupyter Data folder and create a new Python file. And renames the file's name to variable. Alright, how can we use variable in Python? For example, we assume a variable name number and the variable's value equals 1 and we print it and we press Shift plus Enter. Yeah, you can see computer outputs 1, correct, and we assume another variable, nvidia.com. Wait, you have to notice that nvidia.com is not a number, it's a string, so we need to add quotation mark on it. Yeah, execute it. Yeah, you can see nvidia.com. And what if we want to assume 2 or 3 or many variables in the same time? What can we do? And print them. Yeah, you can see 1, 2 and nvidia.com. And what if we want to assume 2 or 3 or many variables as a one value in the same time? What can we do? X equals Y equals Z and equals 100 and print them. Yeah, you can see the values are all the same, 100. And what if we want to assume 2 words variable? What can we do? For example, a website equals amd.com. And it shows invalid syntax error because 2 words variable can include blank in it. We just need to add underline in it. Yeah, you can see how easy it is. And you have to notice that there are some words we cannot assume. Let's see. Alright, you can see there are some words, relative, method, function, and grammar in Python that we can use this for variables. It needs to notice. Okay, today we have talked about how to use variable in Python. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.